Hello and welcome to another ICT lesson. Today I want to show you how you can draw an attractive image in MS Paint. Then you'll be able to select it, crop it to be in a small beautiful size. Then we will go ahead and use HTML code to create a web page, have a title in it and a single paragraph. Finally, we will insert our image which we drew in that web page. It is very easy and it is not even difficult. I will go ahead and start practically to do what I told you. I will start MS Paint. So if you want to draw, the first thing is to draw a border for your image. So I will ensure that I have a black color here as color 1. Then I will choose a good size of the border. I think this level is good. Then I will choose my rectangle shape here like this. So I want to draw a compound for my house. The first thing is to draw my house. I will just pick that rectangle shape and change the thickness and draw attractive house here. Then I will still use this rectangle shape to draw another section of this house. I will use my arrow keys to move up. Then I will go ahead and draw, still using rectangular shape. I will draw the door, the gate to my house. I can divide this with a straight line. Press shift to get a perfect straight line. I have a line here to split the upper floor and the lower floor for my house. Repeat straight line again, shift down like that. Then I can have my windows. I need 2 windows here. I am getting a straight line. Split this window. Move with arrow keys and split this. Yes, like that. Position it with the arrow keys so that I have a perfect window. Then I can just click this select tool and copy this window like this. Click copy, then paste. I can bring the other copy here. So I can position with the arrow keys to ensure it is in a nice position. I will click paste to get another copy and put it up here. You can see the background of this window is hiding part of the house. So to remove that background, we just come back to this select tool and choose transparent selection, so that when I will be placing them, I don't have interference. I will click paste again and pick another window here like that, paste and put another one. Finally, I have a beautiful flat. I will change now to pencil. I increase the thickness of the line and I will draw an attractive compound here. for my house. I will go ahead and draw a tree. It could be a mango tree or a pawpaw, not a pawpaw tree. This looks like a mango tree because it is huge. I just play around with the pencil tool. I'll draw some trunks so that the tree looks real. Then I will close this because I want the trunk to be brown in color. So I'll close. And then finally I can choose a brown color here for the trunk of the tree and paint it. For the canopy of the tree, I think green works best. Then I will choose color, change color 1 to white and pick my pencil and change the thickness here to be thinnest. Then put some decorations on the canopy of the tree to look real, like this. Maybe it could be air spacing. Then I will also put some, I will change color 1 to now this color green, a different green color, and paste my grass. And I can now change this color 1 to black and have my pencil back thinnest size and do some marks on the grass like this. And I will paint my house now. Let me just decide to use a yellow color for the walls. Then I can have gray for this band here and the roof. Then this background of this image should be the sky, so I will choose the blue color for the sky. And I need a white sun, so I will change this color 1 to white and pick my oval shape and draw a nice sun here. Then I will paint it white. Then I will draw the rays for the sun. I have some straight lines for the rays like this. The sun is shining in the compound and it looks beautiful, and it must look real. If it is not real, then somebody will laugh at you and say this person was trying to do something but he could not finish. I will change this color 1 to black and increase the thickness of this to be the thickest line, and pick my pencil here and draw a couple of birds flying in the sky. Now let me change the thickness of the pencil here. I have some birds flying here. In real life, at least there must be something in the sky. Some birds flying. Finally, I need some clouds, so I will change this color 1 to white and look for clouds here. There are free clouds for you to choose, but you can draw your own clouds if you want. I can just drag that and do some clouds, then fill them with the white. You can also pick another cloud. There is only one cloud here. Okay, I can go and draw my cloud now. I can take my pencil, change it to thickest. Then let me draw one cloud. Yes, clouds look rough like this. they don't have regular shapes. Okay, that is my cloud. That is fine. Then for my house here, for the gate, let me change this color one to black and come and do something nice. Let me pick the rectangular shape. Let me check the thickness. I want the thinner one, and I can come and do something nice here, like split this into two, click away, then come back and still draw here. Can come back and draw and move with the arrow key a bit up like that. Then I can paint my doors. Let me just have my the windows, let them be white like that. Then for the main gate, I think it's fine. I will go ahead and select my image, click select tool, and trace this slightly outside the border. Don't touch the border, and then select it like this, then up to that end. Then come here. Do you see this handle or icon? Click crop. Now after that, I have a nice picture of my compound there. I will just click save. Choose a desktop. Let me create a new folder called house. Press enter again to open the folder. Now we'll name this. Let me just call it house. I will close MS Paint. Now when I open my house folder, you can see in this folder there is only a picture. So what I need is a web page inside here where this picture is, and that web page will be showing that picture. Okay, fine. Let me now minimize that and start Notepad here. Remember, we use Notepad for writing HTML code. Now this is what you do. Just write here HTML to start the web page. Then you close the web page with /HTML, and remember it must be a forward slash slipping towards the right. And up there I can have the head of my page and close the head. Spelling mistakes not allowed. Then I can have the body and close the body of my page. That is a body for my page. Then inside the head I want the title for my page. So I will come here and write here my beautiful house. Beautiful house, and put the title. Then I will come inside the body of the page and I'll put the title here with H2 heading level 2. I just write here maybe beautiful house and close that heading there. So I will simply save this. Remember, our folder, I click desktop, our folder is here, house, open it, and I will call this file house.html. then click save. The reason why I put HTML, so that it is changed into a web page. If you don't do that, it will be a text file. Okay, I will minimize the code and have my folder. You can see now we have a web page and a picture, but I have not inserted a picture, so I will go ahead, refresh this page, open it, so that you see how it looks like. Okay, when I open my page here, you can see now the web page has the title, which I typed in the head part, and the heading is also there, the one I use H2 tag. Okay, now I want to make this title red, put a picture here and a paragraph. So I will switch back to my notepad. So to change this heading red, I will just come here and put style. Sorry, use small letters. Style tag and close down here, style tag. Then I will take the name H2 and put it in the style. Then put these curly brackets. Then just write color red, just like that. Then I want that heading to have a good font for the title, so I'll just write here font family. You can just say font. There's a font I know it is called font. Then below this heading, I want to insert an image, so I will just go to my folder to confirm the name of the image. You can see the image is called house. Then in that house, the type, when I point to it like this, you can see the type is PNG. So I can just, so it will be house.png. I will go back to my code now and right here, I will use img. Then for the source, that is where we put the name of the image. I will just write here house.png. Then below that picture, I want a paragraph, and I will close the paragraph tag with slash like this. Then between the two tags, I will write, this is my beautiful house in Karen. In the outskirts of Nairobi. Okay, I want that paragraph below the picture. So I will go ahead, click save. Then we will refresh this web page and see what will appear on the page. After refreshing the page, you can see this is now what is appearing on the web page. My title is there with a good font, red in color. My picture is appearing on the page, and the paragraph, this is my beautiful house in Karen in the outskirts of Nairobi, is there. This is how simple it is to display images on a web page. Go ahead and try this at home. See you next time. Bye bye.